Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor 3/4 Hp For Blodgett part #56966. The motor 3/4 Hp For Blodgett part #56966 is a 3/4 horsepower motor designed for use with Blodgett ovens. This motor is a direct replacement for the original motor that came with the oven. It is made of durable materials and is designed to last for many years of reliable service. The motor features a 3-phase design, which helps to reduce noise and vibration while providing maximum efficiency. It also has an adjustable speed control, allowing you to adjust the speed of the motor to suit your needs. This motor is UL listed and CSA certified. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor for Blodgett ovens. It is used to replace a faulty or worn-out motor and can help to restore the oven to proper working order. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the oven and disconnect the power cord. 2. Remove the existing motor from the oven by unscrewing the mounting screws and disconnecting any wiring. 3. Install the new motor in place of the old one, making sure to line up all of the mounting holes and screws. 4. Connect any wiring that was disconnected from the old motor to the new one, making sure to follow all safety precautions when working with electricity. 5. Securely tighten all of the mounting screws and reconnect the power cord to restore power to the oven. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.